You won't believe how Infinite Yield Bank has transformed in 2026. Most people assume modern banks focus on flashy apps without substance, or traditional banks are outdated. Infinite Yield combines the best of both worlds, strong banking fundamentals with innovative digital tools. Their savings accounts stand out with competitive, tiered interest rates. Even modest balances earn well, and larger deposits unlock higher returns automatically. The surprising truth is that steady, consistent saving even small amounts can lead to substantial growth over time due to compounding. The mobile app is sleek and intuitive. It allows you to monitor balances, transfer funds instantly, and set up personalized savings goals. Visual trackers help you stay on top of your money, making it easier to maintain good habits. Most people underestimate the power of seeing real-time progress that keeps you motivated to save consistently. Security is robust. Multi-factor authentication, bank-level encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring keep your money and personal data safe. Customer support is available through multiple channels, so help is always within reach. Limitations include minimal investment services. If you want wealth building beyond basic savings, you'll need a separate platform. However, for secure banking, easy-to-use tools, and a system that encourages saving, Infinite Yield delivers. So, is Infinite Yield Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone looking for reliable banking combined with smart, goal-oriented features. Subscribe for more honest reviews to help you make the most of your financial options.